Hey guys, welcome back to Stormy Knowledge. Guys, today we will learn preposition in my podcast. First we will see definition. A word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time and direction. Then here we will see prepositions of time. A number of prepositions may be used to denote time. For example, from, after, before, till. Let's see. From Monday, after my return, during the night, till tomorrow, before the bell rings, 9:45. In most cases, it is easy to decide which preposition to use. Now we see some more prepositions like at, on, in. First of all, we learn at. At usually denotes a definite point of time but can also be used for indefinite periods. For example, at 7 pm, at this moment, at midnight, at the end of class, at night, at dawn, at Durga Puja, at Diwali. Next we take on. On is used with days and dates. For example, on Monday, on 1st May, on the annual day, on a May afternoon. Now we see about in. In is used with parts of the day and with months, year and season. For example, in the morning, in 2004, in winter. In is also used with the future tense to show the period in which an action will happen. In a week, in 4 hours. Now we learn difference between in and within. In means at the end of and within means before the end of. For example, I shall be back in a week when a week is over. And other example, I shall be back within a week before a week is over. Is that clear, friends? Now we learn about preposition by. By refers to a point of future time and denotes the latest time at which an action will be over. For example, the competition will be over by 6 pm. It should be over before it is 6 pm. But the latest time at which it can be over is 6 pm. Another example, they will have declared the result by tomorrow evening. Now we learn about preposition from. From denotes the starting point of an action and is used in all cases except when the action has continued till the moment of speaking. It is almost invariably used with to or till. Example, the examination will be held from 8 am to 11 am. And other example, he was the chief minister of the state from 2014 to 2019. Now in the end, we learn about difference between on and upon. On is used while speaking of things at rest. For example, the file is on the table. And upon is used with things in motion. Example, the dog sprang upon the table. Okay, that's it for now. For more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you.